Hi, and welcome to Puzzel's Product Spotlight series, where we explore how our AI-powered solutions solve real contact center challenges. In today's video, we are taking a closer look at Copilot Live Summary, which is designed to free agents from repetitive note-taking while ensuring that every customer conversation is captured accurately. But let's talk about benefits. First of all, Live Summary doesn't get tired or distracted. It captures every conversation in real time, which helps you stay fully compliant with both internal and external requirements. And because agents aren't busy typing notes, they can focus entirely on the customer, which naturally leads to more seamless and human interactions. We will in a bit see it in action as we will be joining a live call between an agent and a customer. The agent has received a handover from Copilot, which indicates that the customer is experiencing internet connectivity issues. The agent will now answer the call with the information in mind, and we will pick it up from there. Hi, I see you are having trouble with a slow internet connection. How long has this been going on?
Hi. Yes, it's been slow for about 2 weeks, and sometimes the box blinks red.
Got it. And have you tried restarting the router during this time?
No, I haven't. How do I do this?
You can just unplug it from the wall, wait about 10 seconds, and then plug it back in.
All right, let me try that now.
Great, and let me know if that helps.
I can see that it's actually blinking green again, so that's perfect.
Oh, great to hear. And is there anything else that I can help with today?
No, not today. Thank you so much for your help.
All right. As you can see here, the summarize conversation button at the bottom was inactive in the beginning of the conversation. And that is because Copilot Live Summary waits until there is enough context before generating a usable summary. Usually that takes around 50 words from the customer side. When there is enough context, the live summary becomes available and the agent can generate it clicking the summarize action button. I'll just do that now. That will bring up the live summary which the agent can edit or add to or remove the text that it has provided. And once the agent has done that, they will click Save Summary. Now the summary will be part of the interaction with the customer. And once the agent has saved the summary, they can copy it and paste it into their CRM system. And the summary will also be available via an API and a webhook for as a standard 7 days, but the period can be adjusted based on your organization's preferences, which of course enables you to easily bring it into your systems automatically without doing any work. The format and the content of the summary are fully customizable, actually down to the queue level, and can be adjusted at any times. As the conversation unfolds, sometimes new details become available, which would require that the summary is updated. And the agent can do that at any time by just clicking the button at the bottom again and creating a new summary. And this is how Copilot Live Summary helps contact centers save time, improve customer experience, and stay compliant without compromising on the quality. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more product insight videos.